So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC, in Canada on Wealthsimple here inside of the Wealthsimple mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go into your cryptocurrency account. Then once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. So once you're on this screen, scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Press on crypto. Now, if you want to buy Litecoin, scroll all the way down to where it says Litecoin right here, ticker symbol LTC. So press on Litecoin right here. Now, if you want to purchase Litecoin, go to where it says buy in the bottom left. And then once you're on this screen, you will now be doing a market buy. So if you wanted to invest however much money, I'll just do $1, for example. I'll press on $1, press continue. And there you go. Now to confirm your order, simply just press a confirm order. And that is pretty much how to buy Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.